Hi, this is problem 6 from the 2016 AIME 1. In triangle ABC, let I be the center of the inscribed circle and let the bisector of ACB intersect AB at L. The line through C and L intersects the circumscribed circle of triangle ABC at 2 points C and D. If length LI is 2, LD is 3, then IC is the reduced fraction P over Q. Find the sum P plus Q. Okay, so if you work through this description, you should end up with a drawing similar to the figure shown. And let's see, so we're given that IL is of length 2, we're given that LD is of length 3, and we're trying to find IC, so let's call that X for now. And let's label a few of the other line segments. Let's call CB length A, LB length B, and DA length D. So I notice we have a lot of equal angles. So it looks like we have a lot of similar triangles, and I also notice we have the angle bisector going through point I, so that should be helpful. So let's try to work out some of the similarity relationships from the figure. So let's use the angle bisector rule first. We know that A is to B as X is to 2. And we have triangle CBL similar to triangle ADL. So we know A is to B as D is to 3. And let's see, there should be one other similar triangle. It looks like CAD is similar to CLB. So we know A is to B as this whole length is to D, so that's X plus 5 is to D. And our goal here is to solve for X, and it looks like we have enough information to do that, so let's see how we can proceed. I noticed that X over 2 is equal to D over 3, so that basically tells us that D is equal to 3 halves X, so that's probably useful. Let's see, so we can substitute, we can see that A is to B, so X over 2 is equal to X plus 5 over D. So X over 2 is equal to X plus 5 over D. Oh, and I see that we can now substitute the value D from above, and that gives us that X over 4, 5 over 3X. Great, so we've eliminated everything. We can solve for X now. Let's cross multiply in the usual fashion. Minus sign. And it looks like we can factor this. Let's see. 3x, x. So it looks like we can choose minus 10 and 2. This doesn't lead to a sensible root, but this does. So this tells us that X is equal to 10 over 3, and that's a reduced fraction, and the sum P plus Q is 10 plus 3 is equal to 13, and that's your final answer. Now, after I did this problem, I noticed that if you remember the Incenter, Excenter lemma, that you could get to this answer a little bit quicker because you could quickly realize that the length of D is 5. But I didn't remember that when I first did this problem, so this is what I came up with. I'll put a link to the Incenter, Excenter lemma in the description section, so check that out if interested. Anyway, take care, and we'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.